My Serbian roots, of course. My father's side is coming from there, from Gornji Milanovac. I don't know if the pronouncing was perfect. And my grandfather and my grandmother are still living there, and we visit them sometimes when we have time. And then my father was coming to Germany, I think with 12, 13 years, but he still speaks the language and everything. But unfortunately, I don't. But I try to learn a little bit Serbian, but it's not so easy now with all the things I have to do and the racing. But yeah, I'm proud to have this how do you say, this origin. And yeah, I also like the country, and the culture, and the food is very good. So yeah, it's nice. Um, yeah, I just wish me the best of luck for this season, and I will give for sure everything to make some good results and make you happy in Croatia, Serbia, wherever. And yeah, hopefully we will see each other in near future in the paddock to make some cool interviews, and hopefully in the next few years back in the World Championship.